Hey, and welcome back. Today, I'm really excited because today I'm trying something new again. I love trying new things, trying to cook new things, different recipes, what have you. But today I'm going to try the steak and shrimp hibachi. Now, I've looked up several recipes. I've talked to several people at different Japanese restaurants, whatever. And I think I come up with a pretty decent hibachi sauce to put on everything. And I don't think it's going to take a whole lot to do this. I really don't, to make a delicious steak and shrimp hibachi. Now, it's very windy out here, as you can see. So we're gonna try to get through this. Now, I've went ahead and fired up the Blackstone, set everything on low, getting it preheated, getting it ready for this cook. As you see right here, this is what we're gonna use to make our steak and shrimp hibachi. Not gonna take a whole lot. It looks like a lot of stuff, but it really ain't gonna take a whole lot. We are gonna make our own hibachi sauce. Now, I'm sure you can buy it. I didn't even look to see if you can buy it, but I'm sure you can. But hey, what's better than homemade sometimes? So we're gonna make this up. It's gonna be super simple, so let's get to it. So now while that griddle is preheating, now's a great time to go ahead and make up this hibachi sauce. So what we're gonna do is start out with some sesame seed oil. We need 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. There we go. Need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Right in there. Now we need some olive oil. You want to go with 2 tablespoons and a half. Roughly, there you go. Nothing is exact. If you go over a little bit, go under a little bit, it's going to be fine. Now something I never use before, some rice vinegar. So let's get a 1/4 cup of this right here. Roughly a 1/4 cup, and put it in there. And just get you a spoon and mix it all together. And there we go. Simple, basic hibachi sauce. So as far as the steak goes, I'm using a sirloin. I went ahead and cut it into bite-sized pieces. So whatever prep work you can go ahead and do before you get out here to your griddle, the better off you're gonna be. But now, speaking of the griddle, let's go see if it's ready for these groceries. Well, there's that white smoke, so let's go ahead and get some groceries on this griddle. Start by throwing down some oil and spreading that around. Now let's get our steak thrown down. I think I'm gonna throw it over here. Now, it won't take this steak long at all to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my mushrooms on too. Put them back here. Get them to going. I think I'm gonna turn this fire burner completely off and let that steak cook just a little bit slower. Now I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to everything. A little salt on that steak. Some on the mushrooms wouldn't hurt either. Get some cracked pepper on them. Same with that steak. And just give them a good mix. Well, salt and pepper just smells good by itself. Really does. Mix up our mushrooms back here. Push them toward the back just a little bit. Kind of not right there in all that heat. All right, let's get our shrimp on now. We'll put the shrimp way over here. Add some pepper to it. And a dash of salt. And give them a good stir. Spread that shrimp out. And now we just let everything cook for about a minute or 2. Man, this steak is cooking up really nice. Y'all look at these mushrooms back here. And this shrimp, can't forget about that. Let's give everything a stir. Oh yeah, that steak's looking really good. Cooking slow. Now I'm not wanting to get it well done. Which, you know, I talk about bacon, how you like it done. How do you like your steak? Let me know. these mushrooms back here stirred up. Stir the shrimp up. Won't be long, we fix to eat, y'all. And now if you want to, it ain't gonna hurt to hit them mushrooms with a little bit of soy sauce. Because there ain't nothing wrong with adding a little extra flavor here and there. Come here and stir everything up again real fast. The steak's about where I want it almost. Check our shrimp over here, it's looking really good. That shrimp don't take long at all to cook, y'all. Won't take it long at all. Now, I've been watching this channel on YouTube. It's kind of inspired me to try to make this backyard hibachi. I'll put the link down below. That man, I would love to learn his skills on a griddle. I mean, he's over here, he's doing all that. He's got it going on. I can sit there and watch him all day long. I gotta learn how to do that. But shout out to that man. He knows what to do with a griddle, I'm telling you. This steak is just about where I want it. It's a medium rare right there. The mushrooms are good and sauteed up, and this shrimp is real close to being done, y'all. So I say, let's go ahead and mix it all together. Pour the hibachi sauce on there and finish this thing up. Steak, shrimp, mushrooms. Can't go wrong there. Just can't go wrong. We'll bring it over here where the griddle's just a little bit cooler. On this side, where I cut that burner off, kind of cool things down. And now we need to add some of that garlic in there. Now I didn't add the garlic at first because I didn't want to burn it. And that's a great time, I think, to add it. If you got garlic paste, if you got jarred garlic, use whatever you got. Fresh though is always better. Let's squeeze some of this in there. And can you have too much garlic? That's another question I ask a lot. You know, some people say no, you can't. Ooh, that garlic is smelling off already, boy. Ooh, boy, that smells good. There we go. Get all that garlic in there. Let's stir that in. And now let's add our hibachi sauce. Take it, just pour it all over it. And mix that up. Oh, the smell of that is amazing. Let's get it out here and get everything seared into it now. So now, let's slide everything over to the cooler side for a second. Keep you over there. Keep you over there, like that right there. Now I have some rice that I've cooked up earlier, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the griddle. Kind of, not really fry it, but just kind of heat it back up. Let's get this back on here. Heat it up real fast. And it never hurts to have it in some of that leftover hibachi sauce. That quick, and take it back up. Kind of slide everything back out to the center. Keep it good and warm. Man, look at that. And now grab you a plate and put some on there. And see, this is where it's better than going to the restaurant, because you can put up as much as you want on your plate. I think that'll be good right there. So now let's take it over here, add a little rice, get a little yum yum sauce, and try it out. So now we got to put the rice on there. Go ahead and plate you up a bunch of rice over here. There we go. That's looking good, y'all. Grab you a container of yum yum sauce. Don't forget about that. And put it on there. There you go. Look at that. Look at that right there. That looks amazing, y'all. Man, look how good this meal looks. The hibachi shrimp and steak with the mushrooms in it. That rice, that yum yum sauce. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out. Y'all, I cannot believe how quick and easy this came together. I mean, super simple. The hibachi sauce was easy. Everything was easy. The only thing left to do now is the really easy part and the best part, and that's try it out. So let's grab some steak and some shrimp. I'm gonna try it without the yum yum first. Ooh. Wow. I'll be honest. To be such a simple hibachi sauce, it's amazing. But that garlic really, really, really did help out. Can you have enough garlic again on my ass? I don't know. But I can taste it in there. It's not overly powerful, but it is in there. But man, that's good. Now, let's do the ultimate test. Yum yum. There it is. Now, I'm at the Japanese steakhouse. Man, that's good. Now, using sirloin, I think is perfect for this. I cook my medium rare, and that's another great thing about cooking at home. You can cook it however you want. Shrimp, make sure you don't overcook it. 2 or 3 minutes on each side is all you need on the shrimp. Perfect. Now, I bought some yum yum sauce. I don't even know what I did with it, but if you want, I'm sure there's recipes out there. Maybe I'll make some one day, but for right now, I figured I'd just throw something together really quick and easy and delicious, and that's exactly what happened. And I really think my wife enjoyed it too. She won't get on camera. Oh, there's a thumb. She won't get on camera, but she's over here eating off the griddle right now, because you did notice I left some on the griddle. There's like vultures around the griddle right now, just over here swarming. But anyhow, I got to take the rest of this inside. Got to let the kids eat it. Got to let my wife eat some of this, and we'll see you next time.